Hi guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you seeing the attention required error in your printing device? Well, it could be the result of communication error, paper jam, spooler issue, or some other glitches. In this video, you can try effective solutions to get your printer out of the error. You can also get expert assistance by calling at the given numbers if you need one-on-one support. Alright then, let's begin with the solutions now. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Restart the print spooler. For the first step, move to the search panel in the taskbar and then search for Services. For the search result, click on the Open to launch the Services window. Now, on the Open window, you need to look for the Print Spooler option and right-click on it. Next, from the Open list box, you need to choose the Restart option. Check if this fixes your printer retention error. If the issue still continues, follow the next steps. Also comment below and let us know which printer model you're using. This time, you need to double-click on the Print Spooler option. Then, click on the drop-down menu next to the startup type and then choose the Disabled option. After some time, choose the Automatic option from the menu once again. Method 2. Delete the printer's file. First, click on the Start menu in the taskbar and then choose the File Explorer option. Now, open the Windows drive. Once you're in there, look for the Windows folder and open it up. Scroll down a bit until you find the System32 folder and click on it. Now, find the spool folder and open it. Then, click on the printers folder inside. If a confirmation pop-up shows up, just click Continue. Then, go ahead and delete all the files you see in that folder. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.